Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Now it's been a while since I've uploaded anything to my channel, so I'll be uploading this PLP file. I'll be sharing it with you guys. So now if the PLP file is going to be passworded, so just watch somewhere around this video. The password will be displayed somewhere there. So now when you come here, you see all the resources that I used, so you can just hide them one by one. You can try to study the design, or you can just use the templates for I'm just trying to hide everything. I got the image as a fictional flyer. I got the image on Pinterest, then I just decided to do something to share with you guys. So if it is just this one you want, this particular, alright, so you can just come here, come to this side and make it transparent. So you can come here, click on image, come to make sure it's in PNG, and can save as ultra whatever, and just click on save. So it will save, it will be saved to your device. So but however, okay, let me bring back to my background back. I don't want it to be transparent. Let me just put a color. Oh, I don't know the color I used there. Alright, so let's just use this default one. Oh, I used an image there already. So that is all for this one. So you can just save it, use it, edit the template as many as you like. You can study it to be able to create something as like it. So the next video I'll be sharing with you, the next PLP file I'll be sharing with you, it's been a while since I created any design anyway, is this. I think it's this new year design I did. I don't know if I've shared it before, but I will be sharing it now. I don't know. Okay, and this other one, so this is a flyer design I did for a particular brand I worked with some times back. So the elements are all here. This is not fictional, so this is real flyer. Alright, so this is everything. Alright, so if there's anything you want to, you can reach out to me. If you want my course, you can get it out. You can get it Pixellab by the expense. They to be in the video description. Alright, you want to say hi to me, just say hi to me. Please don't come in, you're not giving me money. Alright, so that's all for this particular video. Remember, the password would have been displayed before now. Alright, so see you in the next one.